How's it going, everyone? John here, and today I have another unboxing. As I said in the previous one that I recorded, these are all being done in an order. In the ASUS FX503 unboxing, there will be a collective part 2 for this video's unboxing, and the unboxing for the Elgato HD60S. In this video, we're unboxing a monitor, the ASUS VP228 monitor. Now, this time, I actually remember to bring a knife. If you watched the laptop unboxing, I didn't have a knife with me. This time, I have one. So, without further ado, let's get started. See what's inside. We're gonna be a little delicate with this. See, monitor. Anyway, as I said, I believe I said it in the laptop unboxing. Anyway, I should have said it in the laptop unboxing. There will be a collective part 2 on all 3 items. Where I give my thoughts and opinions, and unfortunately the laptop unboxing, I couldn't remember how to fix 2 of the settings, so I was actually showing how to set it up. I couldn't remember 2 of the settings. Always be careful when using a knife, kids. Always be careful when using a knife. No matter how old you are, even if you're in your 50s. I'm 24, I'm not in my 50s, I'm in my 20s. Anyway. But always be careful when using a knife. Because no matter how old you are, you can hurt yourself. But, as I was saying, I jump around a lot. And if you stick around long enough, you'll notice that I jump around a lot. Did it on stream too. My Twitch will be in the link in the description below. Linked in the description below. But back to the topic at hand. In the laptop unboxing, I couldn't remember one of the settings, like where it was located. Just stick the tape right here. Okay, this is the actual ASUS tape. I don't know why the person who sent this to me decided to tape over tape, but whatever. We deal with it. I'm pretty sure the HD60S is going to be the shortest of these videos. Although, if I'm wrong, and there is and it's not the shortest, feel free to yell at me in the comment section as always. I know if I say don't yell at me, I'm gonna get yelled at, so I might as well just go for it. Oh, that's right, I'm missing a anyway. The artist for the music will also be in the description in all 4 videos. 3 unboxings and a part 2, where I get to cover a mistake by showing you how to do it. Anyway, Besides, the part 2 actually is a legitimate part 2 for those who want to go into content creation. Oh, packing slip. You guys don't need to see that. Definitely don't need to see that. Let's see what we have in here. I think this is the stand. Let's peel that. Ooh. Sounds nice, sounds nice. I think it just literally goes, oh, the monitor literally goes on it. Okay. Cool. Interesting. Oh! This is an auxiliary cable for the speakers. This means I can't actually use my laptop speakers with this connected. Hopefully the monitor has a headphone jack I can stick in my headphones. Otherwise I have a problem. Although it doesn't look like it has one. I don't know what it is, but when I'm recording, it's always really hot in my room. Anyway, that's an auxiliary cable. This is the power. I'll get to see everything. This is VGA, I think. Either VGA or DVI or something like that. Let's see, it has DVI, VGA, and HDMI. Hopefully it comes with all the cables. Because I don't have a spare HDMI cable. Oh, no, that was DVI. This is VGA. I don't think it comes with an HDMI cable. I'll just use my Switch one then. This is manual, I think. It's a VIP member notice, never mind. Anyway. Yeah, I don't think it came with a HDMI cable, but now for the monitor. Let's move my laptop a little bit. Hey, and now for the unveiling. Voila. The laptop of the video. Or not the laptop, the monitor of the video. It's not fully stable, but this is it. 1 millisecond response time as well. HDMI. See, that's the thing. It has HDMI, but no HDMI cable. Why? Anyway, that means I'll probably connect it with one of my other HDMI cables. I have one. I'm gonna buy an extra one. But let me flip it just in case someone actually has this exact monitor. More stuff to peel. Oh, it's wrapped all the way around. There we go. Anyway. I really should trim my nails. Alright, seems stable. Anyway, you guys can't see the ports, can you? Oh, there you go. That's the, you know, auxiliary, VGA, DVI, and HDMI ports. There you go. You can pause it. Alright. Wow. Now I understand why some people say recording it's really hot, because wow, it's really hot. Anyway, I think that's it actually. Oh wow, 12 minutes. So this will be a little under 15. The Elgato's probably gonna be okay. It probably won't be the smallest. That one's gonna be a little harder open, and I'll get to show it around. Yeah, so the next time you see, V228H is apparently the monitor. You all saw me read it off the box, so my mistake. It's a specific V228, VP228. Jesus, but it wasn't on the box, so I can't be blamed for that. But it is a full 1080p monitor with 1 millisecond response time, so. And speakers somewhere here. I don't know where I think the speakers are here in the back at the top. I think this is the speakers, but like I don't know where else it could be, so that's probably it. There's also something right here. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's probably the power. Anyway. Without further ado, I think that will be all for this video. Remember, there's going to be a collective part 2. And if you guys haven't already, go watch the FX503 unboxing and the HD60S unboxing. And then go watch part 2, I guess. Now, if you like this content and my rambling, leave a like and subscribe. If you don't, I guess you could leave a dislike. And subscribe to hate watch me. I don't know. I'll get better when it comes to the rambling. I can promise that. I'll eventually get better as I record more and more and grow more confident. But that is all for this video. I'll see you guys next time, and as always, should probably leave. And as always, stay bright.